Hey there and welcome back to another exercise tutorial. I'm Coach Harris and today we're going over the incline dumbbell bench press, all right? This is a great staple movement if you're in a place where you have a bench, have a pair of dumbbells, you can get a lot of strength work here. So we're gonna do this with a low incline. If you notice, probably can't see from here, but I have a flat option. I have a next incremental incline, another incline all the way up. I'm using the first incline, right, the lowest one that we have. You can use a lot of different ones, but if you're doing a technical incline chest press focus, I would say 45 degrees or lower. Once you start getting above that 45-degree mark, it's more of a shoulder press variation, all right? I like the low variation here, and we're just gonna have the dumbbells. So I'm gonna show you how to set up, how to get into the position, how to execute the lift, set them down safely. But I wanna make one note first. This is not at all my ideal bench. I actually do not like this bench, but it's the only one I have around, for a couple reasons. One of which is the setup with the dumbbells is a little bit awkward, or at least not as traditional. So I'm gonna show you what I would do here, but I'm gonna also verbally explain to you what to do if you're in a gym without this stuff and you have a little bit more space, all right? So what I'm gonna do, because this is in the way, is I'm just gonna put the dumbbells here, kind of get them onto my legs, right? This is part of what we want regardless of the gym. We want the weights on the legs, near the hips, right? Not up near the knees, but close to the body, okay? If I were in a gym with a lower bench without all this stuff and I could kind of go to the end of it, the weights would have to start on the floor. So what I would do, I can kind of demo here for you. Imagine I was on the end of the bench right now facing this way, right? I would put the weights in the middle of my feet. I don't recommend the side because then you have to rotate, crunch your core, throw them up. It's a lot of pressure on your back in a weird way. So put them in the middle of the feet, lean down one at a time, lift like this, lift like this, and then you're gonna proceed to do what I'm about to show you, right? The other option is, let's say the weights are here and you get them up, you can lift them up, right? And sit like this to your bench, okay? But remember, facing the correct way. So now, regardless of where you are, this is gonna be the same. I want you to rock back, and in the same motion that you rock back, this is the same as with a floor press or a dumbbell bench press on a flat variation, anything, you're going to kick these weights right into the incline position and press, okay? Feet are solid. Again, benches are gonna vary, but either way you want strong feet, butt on the bench, upper back on the bench strong, okay? Hands are solid. We're gonna control down, drive up as powerfully as you can. Notice a few things. I'm not here, I'm here, right? We're at about a 45-degree angle with the elbows. That can vary a little bit, right? You can go a little bit less or so, but I like that 45 angle with the hands and elbows. Drive up. As I drive up, right, my elbows are not overextending. I'm not reaching as high as I can. I want to be right here, nice and solid. Right, when we set them down, a couple options. Either let them go right to the floor, but safely, which would be like this, right? 1, 2, watch your feet and hands. Or if you have enough height, you can sit up, get them to your legs, and then put them down, all right? That is the incline dumbbell bench press. Enjoy the lift.